హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం 4th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ బ్లాజమ్స్ వర్క్బుక్ ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ 3 బటర్ఫ్లైస్లోని వర్క్షీట్ 1.4ని ఏ విధంగా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలో నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్, రీడ్ ద గివెన్ ప్యాసేజ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెసన్. హలో సన్ఫ్లవర్ ఇట్స్ అనే ఈ పారాగ్రాఫ్ను చదివి దాంట్లో ఉన్న వర్డ్స్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ద వర్డ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఈఏఆర్ డియర్, ద వర్డ్ హ్యావింగ్ మే డిస్మే, ద వర్డ్ హ్యావింగ్ హిట్ వైట్, ద వర్డ్ హ్యావింగ్ వే అవే, the word having ill till. Second section, unscramble the letters of the names of colors and color the butterflies with those colors. First one blue, second one green, third one brown, fourth one orange, fifth one violet, sixth one pink. Worksheet 1.5, first section, observe the following table and write at least 5 sentences. One has been done for you. First one, can I use your bicycle? Second one, can I leave the classroom? Third one, can we ask a doubt? Fourth one, can I take your water bottle? Fifth one, can we join your team? Second section, write the colors of the given flowers: yellow, white, red. Worksheet 1.6, first section, read the given passage from your lesson. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words or phrases. First one, the butterfly saw a white lily. Second one, dash is the favorite color of lily, white. Third one, it is raining heavily. Fourth one, open your petals wide, asked the butterflies. Second section, write the words ending with the E from the above passage. One has been done for you. పైన ఇచ్చిన పారాగ్రాఫ్లోనే మనకు ఈతో ఎండ్ అయ్యే పదాలను ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ చూడండి, వైడ్, వైట్, టేక్, హైడ్, ఫేవరెట్, వన్. Third section, complete the following words by supplying the missing letters. First one, favorite, favorite. Second one, dismay, dismay. Third one, petal, petal. Fourth one, butterfly, butterfly. Fifth one, away, away. Sixth one, dear, dear. Worksheet 1.7, first section, look at the table and write at least 5 sentences. One has been done for you. For example, my favorite color is yellow. Rani's favorite color is red. Samira's favorite color is blue. Your favorite color is green. Roja's favorite color is pink. My teacher's favorite color is orange. Second section, your teacher will dictate 5 words. Write them below. Worksheet 1.8, first section, read the given passage from your lesson. లెసన్లో ఉన్న ద బటర్ఫ్లైస్ వర్ టోటల్లీ అనే పారాగ్రాఫ్ను చదివి కింద ఇచ్చిన బ్లాంక్స్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words or phrases. First one, the sun was watching from behind the clouds. Second one, it was very difficult from the butterflies to fly because they were totally wet. Third one, the sun dried the butterflies' wings. Fourth one, they danced in the garden among the flowers till the evening. Second section, pick up 8 words which have the double consonants or vowel letters. One has been done for you. Totally, butterfly, difficult, fell, still, 3, pebbles, suddenly, happy. Third section, arrange the following words in alphabetical order: behind, difficult, night, still. Again, garden, happy, wings.